Before the fire, I was your average student, you know. I just got an internship through CFA actually. So I was just starting my internship at PHA. It was the summertime and I was just your regular average college student. When the fire happened, I had to jump out the window with literally nothing on. So I didn't have any clothes. I was walking around with the clothes that I received when I was dispatched from the hospital and a size 13 pair of men's Uggs in the middle of the summer. And my mom, when she leaves the house, she's anxious because she was at work when the fire started. So she came home to the flames. We still don't know how it started till this day. The CFA Hand Up Fund helped me and my family tremendously because I was able to take care of immediate things like a toothbrush, toothpaste, shoes. It just helped with the immediate things that you don't really think about needing until you have absolutely nothing. People should donate to the Hand Up Fund because it helps people like me who were in serious, traumatic situations. I don't know how else to put it. It just helps. Without that fund, I don't know what me and my family would have done, honestly. So it's okay to need help. And that's what you have people like the CFA and HomeFree-USA to help students who are in need. So it's okay to reach out and use your resources. That's why they're there. Thank you, HomeFree-USA and Center for Financial Advancement for the Hand Up Fund.